In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your CSS. Stick around. First of all, I highly suggest you check the following. That your CSS file is in the same folder. That your CSS is actually choosing the right selectors. If your selectors are wrong, it's totally not gonna work. For example, I have ID to be set up and I'm choosing the classes. Look at this, it doesn't even display it. After double checking the selectors, if it's ID, use hashtag. If it's class, use dot. After doing so, make sure that your link is working correctly. To make sure that your link is working correctly, make sure that you type link inside of the head tags, opening and closing. Make sure that you also do the doc type of this. And set it to HTML5. Make sure that your rel is set to style sheet and make sure it's pronounced correctly. Make sure the href or the link is actually set to the correct folder. If your index to CSS is out of this folder, say by one level, make sure to use double dots and backslash. Also, I would highly suggest you use inline CSS, for example, to make sure that you are not having something wrong. That's it for today's video, and goodbye.